Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my first DIY, and I'm going to take my TV stand and just make it look way better. So if you want to see how I take it from just okay, because it's not bad, but just okay, to this beautiful stand, which I love, it came out perfect, just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to fix that shelf, because it was actually a shelf sitting on the bottom. It just wasn't sitting up on its proper place because the hinges were not in there correctly. So I just make sure that it fits right after I fix those hinges, and I'm just gonna clean it off a little bit before I do the next step. So next I'm just gonna remove the handle that opens the door. I was gonna just cover it with the painter's tape, but it was just easier for me to just take it off and just reapply it when I was done with that. So now I'm gonna go in with the painter's tape, and I'm just gonna cover the glass. I did end up having to actually wipe the glass off because it's cold in my house, and moving the table from inside the cold house to outside made the glass fog up. So I just wiped it off really quick so that the tape would stick to the glass. I repeated the same process for the glass on the inside, because when I went to spray that part as well, I wanted that to be protected. So the next step is to spray paint the table. I did purchase this spray paint at Lowe's. They sell it at Walmart, Michael's, and Hobby Lobby. I can leave a link in the description box for it, but I'll leave a link for either Lowe's or Walmart, because those are the two places that I've actually purchased this spray paint from, because I've purchased it before for other projects. So I just spray it, and then I let it air out because I'm outside. Even though I'm outside, those fumes are strong. I should have put a mask on, and a glove, but I wasn't out there very long. And the good thing about spray paint is that it dries really fast. So I just sprayed it outside, and I actually ran and did a few things outside, like ran a few errands, and then came back and it was completely dry. So I just go ahead and spray paint everything. And I do put that shelf back in there and spray paint that while it's in there. And even though I just sprayed it, it did not mess up the sides when I put the shelf back in there. So I did not spray the top part because I'm going to do something different to the top, but everything else gets completely spray painted. So now it's been a few hours and everything is dry. I'm gonna go in and apply this contact paper. This is actually my favorite part because it's so easy. I just take the contact paper, and it's a peel and stick, and I'm just gonna use a razor to cut off the excess that I don't need. But it's literally self-explanatory, so I'll just let you see what I do here. One thing I will say is I'm using an AirPod box to smooth that out, and I'm only saying that part because I want you guys to know how easy and simple it was to do this table. That was simply an AirPod box, like literally no effort at all. That's all it took. Like, I can't express that enough. This project was so simple. I used that box to just make sure there was no air bubbles, and it was perfect. It's still perfect. I get compliments on this piece, like as if I paid so much money for it and I repurposed it for like less than $10. One thing I will say is that I did purchase this contact paper from Lowe's. So that is where I found that. I'll try and find a link for you guys so that you can see the actual paper up close. Now I'm just going to reapply the handle back to the door now that everything is dried. So now that I have the handle back on and in place, I'm just going to remove the painter's tape, and it comes off very easily. Everything went on in the right place, so the spray paint did not get on the glass. So this paint, I actually purchased this tape from Lowe's as well, and they sell it in like Dollar General, all those small stores, they sell it there as well. And it was actually the same brand when I went there, but the price wasn't really much of a difference. It was about like $3 if I'm not mistaken for the one roll, but it wasn't a lot at all. So this project is very inexpensive, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. So really quick, I just wanted to give you a reminder of what it used to look like. This is how it turned out. It is so beautiful. It looks so modern, and it was so easy to make. And now that it has 2 shelves, I have way more room for storage, and it just looks so classy and elegant. And this is after I put everything back on it that I wanted to be up there, and I just added like some decorative pieces on the inside so I could show you. Okay, so really quick, I just wanted to come back and show you guys that I did go in and cover my coffee table and this little side table that I have next to the couch. It made everything match so nicely, and it made me love the TV stand even more. I'm really glad that I decided to cover all 3 tables that's in this living room because it pulled everything together so well. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you liked it. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know if you're gonna try it, if you have any questions, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.